Alright, let's evaluate the following limit. So limit x approaches 8, 2 minus the cube root of x over 8 minus x. Okay, so just by looking at this limit expression, you can notice here that as x approaches 8, the denominator will approach 0. That's going to cause it to create a restriction, causing the whole rational expression itself to be undefined, right? So we need a way to cancel out the 8 minus x. So to do that, what I want to take a look at here is that the numerator looks like 2 minus cube root of x, and 8 actually is 2 cubed. So this actually kind of resembles a cubed minus b cubed, right? And the reason it resembles a cubed minus b cubed, you can write 8 minus x as 2 cubed minus cube root of x cubed, okay? So we know that the factored template of a cubed minus b cubed, which is a difference of cubes, is basically a minus b, a squared, plus ab, plus b squared. Okay? So having said this, I'm going to factorize this, right? So we're going to get 2 minus cube root of x, right? Then we're doing a squared, which is going to be the 2 here. We're going to get 4 plus ab, which is 2 times the cube root of x, plus b squared, which is the square of a cube root of x, which you can write as x squared cube root. Okay? So this is the expansion of the numerator, the denominator. And I'm going to put this back into our limit. So if we put this back in the limit, remember the point here is to get rid of the restriction on the denominator. We're going to get 2 minus the cube root of x over 2 minus cube root of x times 4 plus 2 cube root of x plus cube root of x squared. Alright, so now we can see that we have common factors on the numerator and denominator, so we can cancel this out. Right? And we're actually left with limit as x approaches 8, 1 over 4 plus 2 cube root of x plus cube root of x squared. Okay, and now you can notice here that if I plug in 8 for the denominator, there's not going to be a restriction, right? So I'm going to plug in 8 because x is going to approach 8, so we're going to get 1 over 4 plus 2 cube root of 8, which we know is 2, plus cube root of 8 squared, which we know is 64. So we're going to basically get 1 over 4 plus 2 cube root of 8 is 2, plus the cube root of 64. Okay, and I'm just going to clean that up here. So we get 1 over 4 plus 2 times 2 is 4, plus cube root of 64 is also 4. So we're basically going to get 1 over 12. Okay, so as the limit x approaches 8 for this rational expression, our limit is going to approach 1 over 12.